Women currently hold 18% of gubernatorial positions and 17% of congressional and Senate seats in the U.S. Traveling boosts brain's activity and decreases depression. Praising effort encourages people to stretch themselves, work hard, and persist in the face of difficulties instead of praising them on their natural talent. Males who lose their virginity late have a higher income, higher education, and a healthier relationship later in life than those who lost their virginity earlier. Being in love cuts headache frequency in half. Handling jealousy in others can be very difficult, but it is not impossible. Just remember that their jealousy just stems from their insecurity and lack of confidence. Most people imagine things from above and at an angle when they are thinking, dreaming, or planning something. Sometimes the eyes can say more than mouth. Every person you see in dreams has come across in your real life. Our brain cannot create faces. Attractive defendants are not only less likely to be convicted, but when they are likely to suffer less severe punishment than an unattractive person convicted of the same offense. Making yourself angry can help you hide the reality that you find a situation frightening or that you feel vulnerable. Men change their minds up to 3 times as often as women do. Also, men are more likely to make impulsive decisions than women are. Someone who becomes angry easily over silly things might just subconsciously desire to be loved. If after ending a relationship you still stay in touch, chances are one of you is still in love or never was. Staying quiet doesn't mean you've nothing to say. It means you don't think they're ready to hear your thoughts. Something is usually funny to us when it is not in context, is unexpected, or is said by someone we find attractive. Women are influenced and persuaded by a man's sense of humor and sarcasm. When a person dies, they have 7 minutes of brain activity left. It's the mind playing back the person's memories in a dream sequence. Sleeping next to someone you love makes you fall asleep faster, reduces depression, and helps you live longer. A good apology has 3 parts: :1. I'm sorry, 2. It's my fault, 3. What can I do to get it right? Most people forget the third thing. 70% of people claim to be okay when they're not, simply because it's hard to find people who will actually listen and care. When a woman wants to end her love for you and leave you, she will first do these 2 things. First, she will change her tone, and then she will stop giving time. Remember that people will always question the good things they hear about you and believe the bad ones without a second thought. Love is when nothing is okay and everything is hurting you a lot, but still you want the same person over and over again. Work hard, talk less, do what you know is right, learn from your mistakes, build people up, laugh often, stop complaining. Invest in yourself, dream big, plan ahead, and love unconditionally. Don't take everything someone says to you personal. What people say is often a reflection of them, not you. Promise yourself to be so strong that nothing can disturb your peace of mind. To get daily interesting stuff like this, then just follow us now. We daily upload this kind of valuable stuff. No matter how you feel, get up, dress up, show up, and never give up. Women with higher IQs have a harder time finding a mate. Intelligent women would rather remain single than be with the wrong person. Love lasts longer when both partners are actively working toward self-actualization and self-fulfillment. Love doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be true. Opposites attract is a myth. We are usually attracted to someone who thinks, behaves, and looks like us. Don't chase people. Work hard and be yourself. Under these two principles, the right people will find their way into your life. Karma says when you love someone more than they deserve, surely they will hurt you more than you deserve.